In English?
Yeah.
2015 vintage in Champagne is quite a fantastic vintage. The season was great, fantastic, dry, a lot of sun, dry, and that's very important for the year because the wines really get the taste of the soil this year. That's what I find, is that you have very much the lieu dit, the parcel taste, and each parcel has a really important difference. And that's for a blender, for a master blender, it's great to have such a choice of different color, different freshness, different roundness, different fruitiness, to build something very interesting, and the blends were quite impressive. So 2015 is a great vintage to come. We'll see in 6, 7, 8, 9 years sometimes. But a great vintage in Champagne. But I think it's great vintage all over France, in fact. We had some good wines in Bordeaux as well, in Provence. And so we've been very lucky in 2015.
Did you use a lot of reserve wines for your...
Yes, we did use, under Brut Premier, we did use some reserve wines at a slightly higher level than usual. Because of being such a strong vintage, you needed to really take over, or let's call it, find the style of Brut Premier with a little bit higher of reserve than usually. But when I say slightly higher, it's a few percent. It's not about 5–10%. It's quite a few percent more.